it smashed to smithereens and like pow you in the face with Floral. Oh, it's posh chocolate, isn't it? I like that creepy doll off Toy Story. Hi guys, so for today's video I have a unboxing of the May Lush kitchen box. It is the Bridgerton themed one for this month. Sorry, I just noticed I've tipped my ring off because my fingers are really sore. Just do ignore that. It is the Bridgerton themed one. So it comes in this lovely little box. How beautiful is this? This is a keeper box. Definitely we're keeping this. I'll open it up for you and we'll see what's inside. I have seen pretty much all the spoilers for this because my box was pretty late. I think it was a bit of a late dispatch this month, and then I had delays with Yodel as well. It was at my depot on Wednesday at like 6 AM, so it should have been delivered that day really, but it didn't come till Friday, yesterday, so it wasn't best pleased really. I was really looking forward to it. I can't get in it. Okay, so you open it up, it says fresh from the kitchen. This is so pretty. Oh, it smells gorgeous. We've got a lovely little card here, which has some info on the back. I always keep these, I think they're really cute. And then we've got our info card with the products on as well. And then something smashed to pieces. Oh, it's smashed to smithereens. Can you complain if it's smashed? Will they send me another? Oh no, it's so broke. Okay, we'll start with that, I guess. I'll try and get it out. It is the Royalty Bath Bomb, so it's the Pretty Crown, which is a bit gutting. Oh, it's got little things inside. Oh, it was going to be beautiful. I can't even get that out of the box. It's bloody Yodel. Oh, it's going everywhere. It's literally... Oh, that smells really nice as well. Let me quickly show you the inside of my box, shall I? So this is what I'm working with. All of the little bits that are inside by the look of it have come out. And it's proper smashed. Bummer, what an absolute bummer. Yeah, I'm not really too sure. Is that something I can complain? Well, not complain about, but say it's broken and can I get another? I don't really know how it works with the kitchen boxes. All over me. Anywho, that one smells... Let's just grab a piece of it, shall we? It smells very nice. So this has got citric acid in, it's got tangerine oil, lavender oil, sandalwood oil, olibanum resinoid. I can definitely smell like sandalwood, lavender. It's more of a in-depth, deep sort of masculine scent. It's nice though, I like it. I'm very gutted it's broken. That was going to be the best one to make a video on as well. Never mind, such is life. What have we got next? There is a shower gel. We've got the bath bombs over everything. We've got the Keep It Fluffy shower gel. This says, draw the shower curtain and disappear into a sweet, sultry ylang ylang jasmine and vanilla haze. This is the medium sized one. We love it when we get a medium sized one. That was not what I was expecting. It's very florally, that. I've said this before, I struggle so much to smell stuff in the shower gel bottles. It's quite baby powdery, you know. I'm not sure how I feel about baby powder. I don't really care for it all that much. Yeah, that is very baby powdery to me. I don't smell much vanilla in that at all, really. I mean, we'll give it a go maybe. I don't know. I'm not too sure on this one. I might have to keep sniffing it. Next up we have, I can see a soap. This is the Family Before All soap. That's really cute though. I like the look of that. It feels really moisturising as well. This is quite nice. Again, it's very florally. You've got rapeseed oil in there, coconut oil. You can definitely tell there's coconut oil in here. Lavender flower infusion, perfume neroli oil, mimosa absolute. It is very florally, but it's not too strong. It doesn't like pow you in the face with Floral. I can live with that. That doesn't make me angry. It feels super duper like it's going to be very moisturising as well, which is always lovely for a soap, and it's gorgeous. Love the look of this. Next up, we've got the body lotion, and it is the Tender is the Night body lotion. Loving the packaging. This is really cute. Looks like that. It looks like it's a bit of a thinner one. That's nice. Not as, I don't know why I expected some of these to be sweet. I really don't know why I expected them to be sweet. Floral just makes total sense, doesn't it, really, for Bridgerton. This has ylang ylang flower infusion, almond oil. We've got some cocoa butter in there, jojoba oil, all the stuff that's going to be really moisturising. Vanilla absolute, some jasmine absolute, ylang ylang again. There's loads of good stuff in there. Yeah, it's not these all say vanilla, but I'm not smelling much vanilla. It says creamy ylang ylang and sweet vanilla will make you swoon, while organic cocoa butter leaves skin soft and tempting to touch. I mean, ever so mildly in the background. To me, it's predominantly floral with like a hint of sweetness to it, a slight bit of vanilla. I'm not mad at that. I like this. I like this one. It'll probably be one I keep by my bedside table for my feet and my hands before bed. You wouldn't think I moisturise my hands, but I do. I just have to wash my hands so much with the baby because I don't want to make him ill or anything. So my hands get so dry. There should be another bath bomb in here, which I'm praying isn't smashed to smithereens as well. Is it a bath bomb? It's a Macabomb. Love that, Macabomb. A Macaroon bath bomb. Let's see if we can find it. I don't know what to do about this crown. It's really, sorry, I've got a very itchy nose. It's really distressing me, you know. Okay, the Macaroon is intact. Oh, it's posh chocolate, isn't it? Oh my God. I like that creepy doll off Toy Story. Oh, they need to make an actual bath bomb of posh chocolate. I'm sorry, that is stunning. So you got a little bee. You got your Lush on the back, and obviously it's got, I'm assuming that's a little cocoa butter middle or some sort of moisturising butter that will moisturise you in the bath. Let's have a little read of this one. Oh, I can't believe it. I don't know why I'm reading it because it is just posh chocolate. Yeah, so you got your cocoa butter, strawberry powder in posh chocolate. Well, I never. Shea butter, cocoa absolutes. Yes, there's loads of cocoa in there. There's vanilla, there's a bit of sandalwood, almond oil. Oh, that's divine. I'm chuffed with that one. That's going to be gorgeous. I mean, I don't know what to do with this because it's just all in absolute bloody smithereens. I'm just going to have to chuck it in my bath as you'll have a fail video, I guess. Just lob it in there. I don't know. I'm going to take some photos of this though and then message Lush and see if there's anything they can do, I suppose. I mean, it's technically not their fault. I don't think it would be the delivery company, wouldn't it? But hey ho, stuff like this happens. It's life. It's fine. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. Not what I was expecting from the box. Definitely, this is my favourite. Probably closely followed by this. I do like the smell of this. I feel like that bath bomb would have been really good, but I will probably never know. I'll watch everyone else's videos of it. Anywho, if you guys got this box, do let me know what your favourite product from it was. I'm just in love with this whole aesthetic. It's just gorgeous. I'm loving this. Loving the new Bridgerton collection as well. I've tried some of the products out and they're all top notch. Yeah, I just love all of this. It's so romantic and cute, isn't it? I can't wait to watch it as well. I'm really excited. Yeah, I hope you guys all have the most brilliant day and I will see you soon. Bye.